BI Publisher, conditionally limiting the number of rows. In this video, I will show you how to apply conditional logic to the total number of rows displayed on a page. Start off by uploading the XML file in order to retrieve the data for your RTF template. Click OK. Go to the Table Wizard to create a really quick and basic table of data. Click Next. You will need to select all of the different elements that you want to include in your report. Student ID, term code, description, career, and load. Next, you'll need to group by a certain element, in this case, the student ID. We can also choose to sort by term in ascending order. We see the information being populated in the template. Let's quickly preview the contents in the PDF just to see how our data is displayed to start with. Pretty basic. As I'm scrolling down, I do notice that there are some rows that are being split. Now, we don't want that, so we will need to go back into the table properties and uncheck Allow Row to break across pages and repeat as header row, because we do want the student ID to be tied with the data that is displaying for the student. So we want all the terms, load, career information, no breakage in our rows, and that seems to have fixed the problem. Let us say that the report needs to print only 2 rows per page. We will need a function that will find the position of the record and count up to 2 before inserting a section break. This sort of breaking generally makes sense for PDF or Word-based reports only. Start by locating the place where you want that section break to be applied. In order to manipulate these rows, we enter the following code before the end if statement of the record data that we're targeting. Again, the position is the current position in the for each loop. All we're doing here is testing if the position is divisible by 2, and if so, then the page break is inserted. And don't forget to close everything out with the end if statement. Just highlighting here the 3 lines of code that we have inserted for this to work, and now previewing the file in PDF format to see what we get. Oh, so I'm seeing that there's only one piece of information showing up for one student per page. Let us look at this code again. Just highlighting it here. There's a mistake. I forgot to include a space right after the position function. Position and mod are 2 separate things. There we go. That fixed it. So now we have 2 student IDs showing up per page with all the relevant data for their terms of enrollment, printing wonderfully. Here I'm adding the page break text at the bottom just to make it discernible that we are breaking it at that point. And this is how that is being printed now. A highlighted page break text at the end of each section break. Try changing this number here and notice what the outcome is. So from 2, I make it to a 4, therefore changing the conditional limit. Now we have 4 student IDs showing up here with all of the relevant data that we have previously selected. There you have it. Conditional limit made easy. Thanks for watching.